Alright everyone, Sony is back with a brand new upgrade to one of the most popular earbud lineups ever made. Say hello to the new WF-1000XM6 true wireless noise-canceling earbuds. And if you've been a fan of the XM4s or XM5s, this is the evolution you've been waiting for. So what's new? First off, Sony says these deliver their most precise noise canceling yet, with a 25% further reduction in noise compared to the WF-1000XM5. That's a serious jump. The biggest improvement is in the mid to high frequency range, which basically means the everyday noises that usually break your focus, like chatter, traffic, or airplane cabin noise, are reduced even more effectively. Whether you're traveling or just walking through a busy city, these are built to keep your world quiet. Powering all of this is Sony's advanced HD noise-canceling processor, QN3E, working together with the integrated processor V2. The earbuds now feature 4 microphones instead of 3, giving them even better awareness of your surroundings. The adaptive noise-canceling optimizer constantly analyzes outside noise and even how the earbuds are sitting in your ears in real time. It adjusts automatically to make sure you're getting the best possible noise cancellation no matter how you're wearing them. They've even improved how the earbuds deal with tiny sound leaks between the ear tips and your ear canal, adapting to your unique ear shape. And speaking of fit, Sony has redesigned the WF-1000XM6 to be about 11% slimmer than the previous model. They're shaped to follow the natural curves of your inner ear, making them more comfortable for long listening sessions. The new noise isolation earbud tips come in 4 sizes, so you can really dial in that secure, comfortable seal. There's also a new ventilation structure inside the earbuds that reduces internal noises like footsteps or chewing sounds, which is a small but very thoughtful touch. Now let's talk sound quality, because this is where Sony really flexes. The WF-1000XM6 uses 2 powerful processors working together for better clarity and detail. The new setup supports 32-bit processing instead of 24-bit, which means higher resolution and richer audio. There's also a newly developed driver unit with a special diaphragm design. The soft edge delivers deep, immersive bass, while the rigid dome keeps highs crisp and extended. Sony even added special notches to refine the sound further and reduce distortion. The result is cleaner, smoother, more accurate audio. These earbuds support high-res audio wireless, DSEE Extreme, for upscaling compressed tracks, 360 reality audio, head tracking, and a 10-band EQ in the Sony Sound Connect app, so you can customize everything exactly how you like it. Sony even worked closely with Grammy-winning and nominated mastering engineers, the same people who've worked with artists like Ed Sheeran, Rihanna, Lady Gaga, Bob Dylan, Alicia Keys, and even the original Star Wars soundtracks, to fine-tune the sound so it delivers music the way artists intended. Call quality also gets a big upgrade. Each earbud has 2 microphones plus a bone conduction sensor. Combined with AI beamforming noise reduction, your voice gets isolated clearly even if you're in a noisy environment. So whether you're on a busy street or in a crowded cafe, the person on the other end should hear you loud and clear. Connectivity is stronger too, thanks to improved antennas that are 1.5 times larger than before. They're ready for LE audio, which means ultra-low latency. Great news if you game on your phone. Battery life gives you up to 8 hours on a single charge, and up to 24 hours with the case. And yes, wireless charging with Qi is supported. Sony also added smart features like autoplay, adaptive sound control, quick access, and hands-free help with Google Gemini. You can manage music, get notifications, brainstorm ideas, add to your shopping list, or schedule events without even touching your phone. On the design side, the earbuds come in black and platinum silver, each with distinct textures for a premium feel. The case has been redesigned to open more easily with one hand, and the earbuds are easier to remove. Sony also says up to 25% of the plastic used includes recycled materials, which is a nice step towards sustainability. The WF-1000XM6 are available now for $329.99 in the US. If Sony's track record is anything to go by, these could easily become the new gold standard for premium noise-canceling earbuds. So, what do you think? Are these your next daily drivers? Or are you sticking with your current pair? Let me know in the comments.